The next game we're going to play is called Sound Effects. And for that, we're not only going to need your input, but we're going to need 2 of you up on stage with us. So, can I see 2 of you that want to come up on stage and participate? Right there. Yep, I can see. That's the international signal for I want to be up on stage. That's 1. Who's as excited as that guy? There you are.
Okay, check.
What's your name?
Christian.
Christian. Tell the audience your name.
Christian.
Check. What's your name?
Jay.
Jay. Tell the audience your name.
Jay.
Okay, working.
Check.
Okay.
Jay.
Jay and Christian. All right, terrific. Now, what I'm going to need, Christian, if you can be back here, and Jay, you can be back here. We're playing a game. It's called Sound Effects. We're going to have 2 of our players up here, and they're going to be doing a scene. But Jay and Christian are going to be making all of the sound effects for the scene. Okay? So, for instance, Christian, if I open the door, could you make the sound effects for that? Perfect! This guy's great. Jay, you got a real big challenge here. I'll make it easy. Jay, my body just made some noise I didn't expect. That was weird. Could it make it again, I wonder? Oh! Okay, if you wanted to go that way, that wasn't where I was going. Alright, so what I need from you, alright, so what we're going to do is, Jim, you're going to have Christian, and Justin, you're going to have Jay. Okay, so you are going to make specifically the sound effects for Justin. Christian, you're going to make the sound effects for Jim. For Jim, sorry. You don't want to mix us all up. Alright, what I need from you is a non-geographical location. This is the easy one. The zoo. Perfect. Players ready? Yes. Begin.
You know, Daryl, sounds like your shovel's broken.
Yeah, the tip broke off. I just keep trying because I love the shovel so much.
Why don't you try this? You know, my back doesn't feel so good.
Yeah, I got some medicine.
Yeah.
I mean, you 40 of this. Here you go.
Are you qualified to give me medicine?
I'm a doctor.
Okay. What do you got there?
Bats.
Just hold still.
Sorrow of 1,000 souls comes out of his body. Yes. He's got the power to kill lights. David, I got your goggles? I've got mine.
Yeah. Okay. I gotta dial them in, and if I can look really far, it would be. Oh my God! It's super sonic, guys, dude. It's light also there.
All right, well. Now, I have a mission for you now, okay?
Okay.
The lights have gone out in the zoo.
All right. Sounds like a problem.
Yes, it is. Yeah, because no one can see what's going on. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the generator and we're going to try and jumpstart it. Right?
Okay.
There it is.
I got gas. You're probably gonna need that.
Here's what it is. Don't drink it. What are you doing? All right. Ma'am, speaking.
All right. Well, I'm gonna pull start.
Bananas. I don't know.
Oh, I'm gonna stand back here. I'm going to do that.
Right?
I'm not even mad. That's great. Anyway, you sure you're not only a doctor?
You're on it. I knew this day would come. I'm a sorcerer.
Cast a spell on me. I don't like this life. Filippo, boostus. It sounds like it works for you.
I won't, bro. I'm sorry, okay?
Okay. Well, get my back up. Okay.
Silent one. I missed. Crap! All right. Well, it's been several years I've been in hiding, okay?
Okay.
So,
Well,
want to learn now?
yeah. What can you show me?
I can show you.
I don't think I'm doing that right at all. Just capture the old guy. What are you doing?
All right, so
It's over.
you gotta in the wrist.
And scene! Thank you very much. Great job.